Randy, say it after me. You will not buy any more cars. I will not buy any more cars.
Hey, want to buy a BMW for 500 bucks?
500 bucks? Let's go! Welcome back to the channel, guys. I told myself I'm not buying any more cars, but for 500 bucks, let's go check out the car. We just recently bought the R33 GTR and surprised Jude with that. And right over here, we just picked up that 350Z. I can't believe we're doing it again, but today we're picking up a BMW. It wasn't planned, but I need something from the car and it's going for a really good deal. So you know what, before I say anything else, let's just go check out the car. What do you think about the car so far?
The car, it only has 150,000 miles, and from what I've only seen it at night, so it looked like it was in pretty good condition, so we'll see.
God, why do these cars just keep showing up in my life?
Why do you keep buying them? It's real cars.
Because that car's leaving soon, that's a space. This car's leaving soon, that's a spot. Yeah, we're probably gonna sell this car. Just kidding. Well guys, since we may have another car joining the family, I think it's time to pick up 2 more lifts, or at least 1 more, and another 2-post lift. I don't know exactly what I want to do with this car just yet, but let's go take a look at it first. It's here in San Jose, so it's not too far. I'm pretty sure that's the car. Shift? Thanks, buddy.
Got you.
All right. From like 100 feet away, it looks pretty clean. I think this is it. Well, let's go take a look at the car. I've never seen the car. I know absolutely nothing about it. Well guys, today we're picking up a 335i. Does it?
Yeah, look at it. It's like a chocolate brown. It's not like some nasty tan.
Okay. It does have a huge dent on this quarter panel.
And then it looks like Bonda's flaking on this side. But I mean, nothing too bad. You could put over fenders on it or something. See?
Oh, what the? Okay.
But yeah, other than that, the car's in like, looks like it's in pretty good condition.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, it's not bad at all actually. Could use a wash.
Wash, a little TLC.
Okay, so now I have to kind of explain a little bit. The reason I want this car is because the transmission from this car is the transmission that I'm gonna need for my R34 GT Type R conversion. This is the transmission that I'm gonna be running with the K-Series. It has a 6-speed. If you guys look closely, this car is a manual, which is a plus. But because we're getting for 500 bucks, I forgot to mention, the reason why the car is only gonna cost $500 is because the motor does have rod knock. But for 500 bucks, wouldn't it be worth it to bring it back?
Yeah, I mean, we could probably find a secondhand motor for it, put another motor in it. I mean, you might even be able to find a deal where it's like a motor and a transmission. You take that transmission, put the motor in this, boom.
And, oh, speaking of the 34, it's right here. The trans from this car is literally gonna go into this. What do you guys think? What should we do? Let me know down in the comments below. The car doesn't look too bad, and we know an amazing body shop that will be able to fix this, no problem. Honestly, the car is in way better condition than I thought.
Yeah, honestly, I thought the quarter panel damage was going to be worse, but that's not even that bad. You know, it's a base model when they don't have that second arch in the center, because some of them don't come with the screen in the center. So this is, I think, the navigation model too.
Cool, right now we are waiting for Michael's brother to come and give us the keys. Then we'll be able to check out the interior. We've secured the keys, baby. So, Michael's brother was talking about how they just wanted to get rid of it and sell it to the DMV. They offered 400. So that's why they're selling it to us for 5. Such an amazing deal. Let's actually take you guys inside and show you guys the interior. The car still starts, by the way. Interior is actually still in great shape. I'm surprised. Usually the leather seats on this are all ripped. And yes, it is the one with the navigation system. 6-speed manual transmission. Cup holders right here. Back seat is still amazing. I got a free jacket. And let's not start the car, but there we go. Look, car still has battery and everything. 150,000 miles. Not like that matters.
Fuck it, start her up. She's already fucked up.
Should we start it up?
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay, let's actually pop the hood first. Make sure it's in neutral. Oh, there it is. You guys hear the knocking? Yeah, it doesn't sound too bad. You think we'll make it home?
I think so, let's fuck it, let's go.
Yeah, let's just go. Just kidding, we have a tow truck on the way already. Let's turn this off. I don't want to make it any worse than it already is. I actually like that a lot. But I have to say though, the manual transmission alone is already worth more than $500. And dude, look at everything in this car. It's still mint. Everything works. If I spend just a little bit of money, we can get this thing to run. And it would make a great daily.
Probably be a cool little drift car too. 4 doors, another drift taxi.
Where do I keep getting these deals from?
God, day 1 subscriber.
Tow truck is here. Well, let's see if the car can make it onto the tow truck. Okay. Okay. He totals the front end. Yeah, car's got low miles, never been abused. No rod knock. Well, we got her loaded up. We'll see you guys back at the shop. Let's see what the homies think about this. And if I should keep the car or if I should keep the car. Nah, I'm just
They don't get an option.
Yeah, no options. Hold on, guys. I don't think the car has rod knock. Something else happened, and this flew off when we took it off of the tow truck.
I called it when it pulled up. I said, watch it not be rod knock, and the noise went away, and this thing fell on the ground.
Yep, so let's actually start the car for the first time.
Sounds fine.
It's not rod knock.
It sounds fine now.
What?
Turned off. We got no water. Turned off.
What? Check it out, guys. Look inside. This thing completely broke off, and this was what made that knocking noise. What the hell? We got a BMW for 500 bucks, and it doesn't even have rod knock. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we have an issue because Michael's a good friend of mine, and he's been having a lot of bad luck with his cars. His M3 subframe completely ripped out of the car, so he had to sell that. He bought an E30 and the transmission gave out. And then his brother gave him this car, and within 2 weeks that happened and he thought it was rod knock. So we're actually just gonna put the car back together and we're gonna give it back to him. Because there's no way I can pay $500 for this car. It's a ripoff, and he's a good friend of ours. So, hey! Well, you know what? That's good news. Because now I don't have an extra car laying around. We did waste a tow, but you know what? I got AAA, baby. I think he's gonna be happy to know that it wasn't rod knock. That's good news. Damn it, I don't get a BMW? God damn it. Oh well, I still got you, Emmy. Okay. No issues. Look at that, wow. Michael, if you're watching this, I hope you love me. There's no more power steering. Look, that was the issue. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go order the parts, fix the issue, and let's give this back to Michael. Let me enjoy this for 2 more seconds. 1, 2, okay. The car's fixed. No rod knock, baby. Only 500 bucks? Good ass deal. I forgot where we left off from the last time we were filming, but Luke fixed everything. We gave the car a little wash. Since this car is gonna be mine for the next few hours, I might as well enjoy it. Damn, for 500 bucks, I got this 335i. Yeah, don't mind the dent right there. It's not gonna be my problem for much longer. Dude, the car looks so good. But it's time to surprise the old owner with his fixed, non-rod knock having car. How do you think he's gonna react?
I think he's just gonna be shocked and like not know what to think. Cause he's like, damn, I just sold this car for 500 bucks, not knowing that it wasn't rod knock, and then he's just gonna get hit.
I'm also gonna let him keep the $500 because I'm pretty sure he already spent it.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's been like 3 weeks. Michael, if you're watching this, hope you enjoy your car. I hope you enjoyed the 500 bucks we gave you too. I guess now it's time to figure out what to do. He's gonna be coming. I told him we're having a little kickback at the warehouse and he has no idea. So let's try to get a little creative with it and surprise Michael. Michael, ready to help me end the vlog? All right guys, I'm here with Michael, the old owner of the car. Michael, you wanna tell me why you sold me the car?
So I owned the car for 2 weeks and pretty much I was driving to work and I pulled up, I was trying to find work, it was like 5 o'clock, it was hella cold. My brother pulls up to the window and he knocks on the window, he's like, what's wrong with your car? I was slapping, so fucking, I couldn't hear shit. And then I turned on the music and it was just like badass rod knock. So first thing I did, call Illiminate. You guys want a car?
And we needed the ZF trans for the K-swap for the R34. And for 500 bucks, you get a nice, not perfect shell, but we get the trans. The trans is how much? Going for maybe around $1,000?
Yeah.
It's a 6-speed ZF. So it does have rod knock, but how about this? Since I don't need the car, if I fix it, will you buy it back for cheap?
Fuck yeah.
I'll sell it. How about this?
I just don't have the space for it. That's
Okay,
why.
how about this? If I fix it, you buy it back for 500 bucks.
Bet.
Deal?
Bet.
All right.
Fuck yeah.
Cool. Start it up. Let me hear the rod knock.
What's going on, man?
Hey, to the moon, bro. Make that shit just blow.
Hey, I swapped in a new motor for you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Pop it. I found a motor that is the same exact mileage as your car to the dot. And it looks like your motor too. It's leaking oil in the same spot as your other motor as well. This looks exactly like your motor, right? He's like, I never even opened the hood.
What the hell? This is the same motor, right?
Yeah, it's the same motor.
Wait, so what's wrong with it?
Nothing was wrong with it. It never had rod knock.
What was it?
The AC compressor pulley broke. That's what was knocking. It was just smacking whatever. And when we pulled it off the tow truck, it just flew off. I swear to God. So, I know you've been having some bad luck, so the car's yours.
No way, dude.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. I can't take it back. I sold it to you, bro.
No, it's okay. You can keep the 500 bucks too.
What?
Yeah.
I can't do that, dude. I can't.
Come on, bro. So the reason we did that is we needed a good title for today's video. I think it's worth it, right?
Dude, you're a real one, bro. I love you, man.
Give it a rest. Look at that smile on his face. He had so many plans for this. His brother told me he was planning on wide bodying the car, doing a whole bunch of stuff, and there's no way I can take the car. Give it a rest. That's some crazy sounding rod knock, huh? It's your car, dude. Again.
Bro, I gotta give you something, dude.
Nah, you can give me something in the bathroom. But it's yours.
Turn the camera off. Nice one.
Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. But the issue now is, how are you taking this home? Because you drove here.
Fuck, you're right.
It's okay. Once you figure it out, you can keep it here or you could take this tonight too. Honestly, if anybody else sold me this car though, I would have kept it. I swear to God, this is a good deal. A $500 working, running, is this a E90? E92?
E90s.
Look at those pants. Look, he's all BMW'd out. Look at this. Look at that. He knew this was coming. He's like, I sold it to Randy because I knew he was gonna fix it and give it back to me, huh?
I think there's something wrong with my car too. It might have rock knock. You want it?
Yeah, 500 bucks.
I thought you got it for 5,000.
No, for 500.
500 bucks? Okay, yeah. Just fix it and then let me know when you want to do this again, okay?
I'll think about it.
Okay, yeah, I got you. Thank you.
Well, guys, Michael, hope you enjoyed the car.
Oh yeah, bro.
Appreciate you, man.
Oh yeah, brother.
Michael's always bringing good vibes when we're hanging out. You know what I just realized? I don't even get a transmission for my R34 anymore.
Because you gave him the car back.
Goodbye, BMW. It was very short-lived. You only lasted one video. See you later. If you guys enjoyed today's video, help us out. Give this video a thumbs up. That is a wrap. I'll see you guys at the next one. One more thing though. The reaction wasn't good enough. You have to give us a crazy reaction. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The car actually runs.
No way.
That's the same reaction as... Give me a better one. The car actually doesn't have rod knock.
No fucking way, bro.